G'day guys, you've caught me having a cheeky sip of Passion Victim Summer Ale by Two Birds Brewing. Comes in this little 330ml can and it's 5% ABV. Nice purple design there. It's got a bit of information here on the side of the can. Because we love long days and short shorts, we dreamed up a beer to capture the essence of the warmer months. A passion fruit summer ale. Pale and hazy like balmy arvos, this summer ale uses the tropical fruit hop trio of Amarillo, Mosaic and Galaxy with passion fruit puree added to the fermenter. It tastes like sunshine, is best enjoyed in a hammock or a tent or at a festival or at a barbecue or in a beer garden, as if you needed an excuse. Jump on the canned wagon. So I've got some here in a glass. So first things first, let's give it a sniff. Nice and fruity. Getting passion fruit, maybe a bit of pineapple, maybe some tangerine. Let's have a try. Ooh, nice and smooth, lots of fruit, lots of passion fruit. Yeah, pineapple, tangerine. I don't think there's any grapefruit there. Oh, it just goes down so easy. Nice and smooth and very low bitterness. This is going to appeal to almost any palate. Just a perfect summer ale really. Something that you could session on. This is the first beer I've had from Two Birds Brewing. I believe they're based in Victoria, so over east from me. I'm here in Western Australia. Yeah, it's really nice. I'd definitely buy it again if I see it in the shops. I got it from a local Dan Murphy's. Let me know guys in the comments, have you tried any of Two Birds Brewing's beers? Have you tried this beer? What did you think? Let me know. Leave me some suggestions for beers I could try in the future on the channel, and yeah, leave us a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.